Tired of your bedsheet wrinkling, creasing, or bunching up while you sleep?
This tutorial will guide you on how to sew a perfect fitted bedsheet that stays snug and wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to constantly readjusting your sheets with my innovative add-on strap design that ensures your bedsheet stays securely in place night after night. Follow along as we walk you through each step of this sewing tutorial, guaranteeing you'll achieve a beautifully fitted bedsheet that's both practical and stylish. Let's dive in and transform your bedding experience. In this sewing tutorial, you need scissors, tailoring chalk, tape measure, fabric, elastic, and Velcro. First, you need to cut the fabric that will fit your mattress. To find the measurements for your mattress, follow these instructions. To determine the size of the fabric, you will need to first find the width of your mattress, which is A, the length of your mattress, which is B, and the height of your mattress, which is C. The formula for cutting is seen here. The width equals A plus 2 times C plus 6 inches. The length is equal to B plus 2 times C plus 6 inches. To find the corner square template, take the height, or C, and add 2.5 inches. These formulas will also be listed in the description box below. Once you have those measurements, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the I'll Be Sewing channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. After you take mattress measurements, cut the desired length and width of the fabric. Next, fold the fabric 4 times. Next, cut out your corner squares. Mine is 4.5 inches. For this project, I will be adding 3 straps that will secure the bedsheet in place night after night. To determine the distance of the strap, divide the length of the mattress by 4. From the dot, measure B4 and mark the point. Also, put another dot at the center of the fabric. Next, join the edges of your cut corner squares and sew them together using a French seam. Bring the wrong side face to face and then stitch. After that, turn it inside out and then apply another straight stitch. That's it, that is the French seam. Do that to all other 3 corners. Once you have your corners, sew hem all the raw edges 1/4 inch. Double fold it and stitch. After that, it's time to sew and make the strap. Take your 4 by 29 inches of fabric, fold it, and stitch. After stitching, turn it inside out. Do this also to the other 2 small fabrics so that you will have 3 straps in total. Now that you have the straps, attach it to the big sheet. Find the marked point and sew the strap on the top of the marked point. Next, at the end of the strap, sew the soft side of the Velcro. Next, on the opposite edge, sew the rough side or hook of the Velcro. Do this as well to the straps, sewing it on the indicated points. Now we are almost done. Take your elastic and using a zigzag stitch, sew your elastic to the inside of your sheet on top of the hem, making sure to stretch the elastic and keep your fabric flat.